Assalamu alaikum dear students. I am Rumesa. I study in class 8. My school's name is HGS. Today I'm gonna talk about if I lived in a jungle, I would. If I lived in a jungle, I would be like an explorer on a grand adventure. I would wake up to the sounds of chirping birds and rustling leaves and spend my days swinging from vine to vine, exploring hidden trails and discovering all sorts of fascinating plants and animals. I would build a cozy treehouse high up in the trees where I could watch the sunset and gaze at the stars twinkling above the canopy. I would learn how to identify different plants and animals and maybe even make friends with a curious monkey or a colorful parrot. Living in a jungle would be like living in a magical world full of wonder and excitement. Thanks.